standing by his mother's bedside. A long time ago, there lived a great person. His name was Sarafuddin, and he loved his mother very much. Once, when Sarafuddin was still small, his mother fell very ill and had to stay in bed. One night, she was thirsty, so asked her son to bring her a bowl of water. The young boy brought the water, but when he returned to her bedside with the water, he discovered that she had fallen asleep again. Sarafuddin was not sure what to do. Should he wake her up, or wait until she awoke, or leave the water by her bedside and go back to sleep? He decided to wait until she awoke. Minutes passed, hours passed, the night passed, and still the small boy waited patiently with the water at his mother's side. Finally, his mother awoke in the morning, and to her surprise, there was her son at her side. "How long have you been standing here?" she asked. "You haven't been here all night, have you?" "Yes, mother," he replied. "I have been here since you asked me to bring you some water." His mother was very happy and asked Allah to bless her son. One day, he grew up to be a great person. In this story, we will learn about verb, noun, and proper noun. Verb means action word or doing word. Noun means naming word. And proper noun means special naming word. I'll show some examples. Lived is verb. Loved is verb. Fell is verb. Stay is verb. Asked is verb. Bring is verb. Brought is verb. Returned is verb. Discovered verb. Wake verb. Wait verb. Awoke verb. Go verb. Decided verb. Past verb. Waited verb. Replied verb. Asked verb. Bring verb. Grew verb. These are some examples of verb, although there are many other verbs. So verb means action word or doing word. Now we learn about naming word, that is noun. Person, noun. mother, noun. Bed, noun. Night, noun. Sun, noun. Water, noun. Bowl, noun. Boy, noun. Morning, noun. Night, noun. So these are some examples of noun. Noun means naming word. Now we will learn about special naming word. Special naming word means name of a person, place. So we have to remember that special naming word, that is proper noun, will always begin with first letter as capital letter. That means wherever it is written, the first letter will always be big letter. Example: Sarafuddin, it is name of a person. Sarafuddin is two word. So Sarafuddin, S is big letter, and Deen, D is big letter. And because it is name of a person, it is proper noun. So the first letter will always be big letter. Sarafuddin, S is big letter and D is big letter. And here another proper noun is Allah. Allah is a proper noun. That is why the first letter of Allah, that is A, is written in big letter, capital letter. So in this story there are two proper nouns and many common nouns, that is naming word, and many action word, that is verb or doing word. Okay.